Based on previous feedback, I wanted to make as few changes as possible. Note that the biology major remains the same, except for that I'm saying 6 upper-level block courses and 2 biology electives. This would take the place of the current 7 upper-level courses, 1 from each of 3 baskets. The freshman and sophomore year would remain as they currently are. Pictured are the current recommendations for the coursework during freshman and sophomore years. The changes would take place in junior and senior years. Students would choose from Block A and Block B courses, which I'll explain in a moment, and they would also have pre-programmed open slots where they could choose chemistry, biology, or gen ed electives, and they would have specific blocks where they would choose a biology elective. Here we can see scheduling in which freshmen take Gen Bio 1 and Gen Bio 2, sophomores take genetics and evolution, and juniors and seniors take upper-level courses. Here we have all 12 of our current upper-level biology classes that we offer, and I've broken them down into the A block and the B block. I've done this such that the molecular courses tend to be in Block A and are offered in the fall, and the ecology courses tend to be in Block B and are offered in the spring. Obviously, faculty and administrators could shift these courses around as they saw fit. I just wanted to get something down on paper. In this example, in Block A, cell biology and molecular genetics would be offered every year, whereas biotech, microbial genetics, immunology, and applied microbiology would alternate years. The same logic applies to Block B. In the biology electives, I've put biology courses that are intended for health professions majors, like advanced physiology and pathophysiology, as well as biology courses that are not upper level, like plants and people and conservation biology. I've also put all of the sustainability courses, since those are not technically biology courses. This seems like the point where we might have the most disagreement, so obviously faculty and administrators could move as many of these courses as they wanted over into that Block A, Block B system. And finally, I wanted to demonstrate that this was feasible in terms of staffing. Best practices are to have a 4-semester repeating cycle, and with current full-time faculty, we could staff this roster of courses with minimal adjuncts. I also wanted to demonstrate that this works for the number of students moving through the pipeline. Real numbers might vary, but if we start with a freshman class in which we have 4 sections of 24 students, if we assume no net loss, then that means we'll have 96 biology majors each of the 4 years, giving us a total of 192 at any one point in time. Again, no net loss might be unrealistic, but at least this gives us a set of numbers to play with. What this would mean is we would need 4 sections of 24 for Gen Bio, 4 sections of 24 for genetics, and then 1 section of each of 4 upper-level courses offered in any one semester. For this math to work, we would have to have 36 students in each of those 1 sections. That might be a bit high for some courses, so obviously we might have to take some of these and split them into 2 sections of 18. But again, that's assuming no net loss, so these numbers will probably be lower.